My man broke up with me and dated someone else. I have had friends who would come to my life, into my life, just to see what am I doing with who, so that they could just vacuum everyone. I have had friends that I told Izinto that were not sitting right with me, and ngibachele with confidence, and then immediately we stopped being friends. They made sure that they went out there ukuthi bazokhipha indaba zami, of which ngitshele my pain. Thank you, Mbali. If I tell you my pain as a friend, and when we are humble jabula, and then we keep. I have had friends that have literally betrayed me to the core. Some things I can't even talk about. I have had friends that I've told that I'm dating this person, and they went on social media and blasted my business. So it's not easy for me to be like, oh, I like you, let's be friends, let's chill, let's go out for lunch. Because when I make friends, I need a friend that I could go out with. And then, like, especially when I feel comfortable, I'm a yep. Like, I will tell you, like, you're my therapist. If the shit that I'm going through, I'm picking up my phone, I'm like, bitch, you won't believe what's sitting in Zeni, man. You won't believe what's sitting in Zeni. So I'm that girl. I've always been that girl. So abantu that have been following me for so long, they know that I keep my circle so small. You know why I do that? So that it'll be easy to tell who ratted me if corner into a somewhere. So that it'd be easy.
Yabona nje lento eshow Sindi ngiyayazi futhi ngiyayi-understanda, and nowadays akusekho lula nje ukuthi uthembe umuntu 100%, because uzothi uthemba umuntu as your friend, as a best friend, kanti naye une-best friend yakhe, and then uthathe indaba zakho ayitshele umngani wakhe. So nje akukho lula ukuthi uthembe umuntu 100%. Uthi lona maybe she's a horrible person. I don't think she's a horrible person. I think une-experience embi when it comes to friendships. Umuntu ongakaze agileke nje umngane ongakaze agile umngane, labo bantu abangakaze bagileki basanalo ithemba futhi basathembana. Moke nje waba ne-experience yokuthi ugileke, akubi sabalula ukuthi uphinde futhi uthembe omunye umuntu. So I don't think she's a horrible person. I just think une bad experience when it comes to friendship. Uthi lona, I love her bakithi. She seems so genuine yet highly misunderstood. I agree. I don't know her personally, but nje ngathi umuntu right kukuthi nje abantu abangani bakhe une experience a bad when it comes to friendship. Abangani bakhe akabanabo before bayamgila. Shame, I feel sorry for her. You and Cyan could make a match, best friends match. Way ayingeke uSayeni ayingeke guys. Mina nje uSayeni angimazi impela nje personally, kodwa nje I don't think she's a good friend. Ngicela nje ungitshele nje friendship yodwa uSayeni alasta kuyo. Ayingeke uSayeni nje angimthembi, ngathi nje we angisho ukuthi umuntu omubi, but nje when it comes to friendship angiboni nje ukuthi ungakhetha uSayeni ukuthi abomngani wakho like best friend. And nje guys, ngithanda ukudlala ngosindi bafethu. Uthi lona uthi never a disaster. Exactly, I agree. Uthi lo munye never. Sayeni is nobody's friend. Exactly. uSayeni nje akamngani kamuntu. uSayeni ngathi lenhlobo ekujikela manje. Hayibo, ayingeke guys. Angimazi impela personally, kodwa nje hayi uSayeni nje ngiyamo. Saba nje kabi angisho ukuthi ngiyamsaba mekliwe, but singasho ukuthi nje ngiyamsaba nje akena nje umuntu engathi nje ngiyamthemba like full time. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna tell her everything. She's my best friend. Not Sayeni, or not anyone onjengo Sayeni. Uthi lona Lisa is her only true friend. At least ngoba phela unaye a true friend, at least hayi ukuthi akanabo abangani, at least ukhona, that's okay. Vele angisiboni mina isidingo sokuthi ube nama best friends amaningi. You can have lots of friends and then just have one best friend. Yebo, I think that's okay. Uthi lona, she has trauma from friendships. She wants to be around people she trusts, I get her because I would also rather be alone than around people I have to be on my toes with. Yeah, 100%. Uthi lona nina inkinga nifuna ukuzwana namanye ama-slay baddies. Lawo ma-baddies angeke ababangani bakho kodwa azofuna ukuyiqhathanisa nawe animonazelayo. Anisifuni thina eso-hope girl aba-right abazoba abangani beqiniso. Okay, ngiyamuzwa lo sisi lo. Phela nanokuthi mangabe ukhetha umngani uyabo kumele ukhethe umngani ozothi uma ukuthi mhlambe you guys want to go somewhere kube ukuthi yabo uyakwazi ukuthi nihambe nalowo muntu. Ungamanje nomngani ube umngani nomuntu osontayo. Manje mina ngesonto ngifuna ukuyorelax lapha kaMax yena uyangaya la uthi yena ufuna ukuthi kiwe esontweni. Angeke i-friendship lapho ngeke izisebenze. Kumele ngathi ungakhetha umngani, ukhethe umngani engathi ngiyacisha umthanda izinto ezifanayo. Ngazi noma ngichaza kahle yini. Lento nje eshiwo uSindi ngiyayazi futhi ngiyazi ukuthi baningi abantu abayi-experienceayo ukuthi nje abangani bagile or umngani oyedwa agile and then mase kuba nzima ukuthi uthembe nabanye abantu kanti abantu abafani. So guys, that's it from me okwamanje. I will see you guys on my next video. Please do subscribe. Yes guys, I was checking laphayana. Most of you guys just watch the video but you are not subscribed. Like I don't understand because subscriber it's free. You just press the subscribe button. That's it. Simple. Kumahala. So guys, please do subscribe. We are on the road to 3,000 subscribers. So just please press the subscribe button guys. I will see you on my next one.